Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've done my entire face of makeup except for one component. Any ideas? I mean, you probably could tell by the title of the video, but today we are testing out a new product from Too Faced. Well, this isn't that new, I will be honest. I actually purchased this in November. Was it November? Oh my god, what month are we in? May. Wow. I think it was April or May, the Sephora sale in April and May. So it's a couple of months old, but basically Too Faced kind of relaunched their natural collection. They had the natural eye palette that they relaunched, they repackaged it, they made it beautiful. And along with that, they released a whole bunch of other products in this whole natural face collection. So they have lipsticks and a couple of different eyeshadow palettes and this beauty right here, which is the natural face palette. As soon as I saw the sneak peeks of this, I absolutely knew I had to have this product in my life, and it has taken every bone in my body to not dig into this and just like attack it. I really wanted to film it with you guys, film my first impressions with you guys, and I'm so glad I waited because a couple of weeks after I purchased this, Too Faced sent me another one. So of course you guys know that I'm going to be giving this product to you, because if it wasn't for you, I would not be sent PR like this. This is actually the very first PR product that Too Faced had ever sent me. So it's a little bit special. Actually it's very special, and I'm so honored and so happy. So yeah, one of them is for me, which I'm gonna be testing out in this video today with you guys. And then the other one is going to be for you guys. If you wanna enter to win this product, check out my description box. I will basically list everything that you need to know down there. But essentially you just have to be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below, any comment that you want, and I will pick somebody from the comment section and give this lovely baby to you guys. I will say I got a lot of feedback on my giveaways. You guys do not like the whole gleam.io process. I have to say I don't blame you, but that is the easiest way for me to keep track of my giveaways. So I'm gonna try it a little bit different this time. We're gonna do it just, you have to be subscribed and you have to leave a comment, and we're gonna see how that goes. So anyways, this is for you guys. Now let's hop into, I keep fussing with my hair. I'm just gonna throw it back there so I can't fuss with it anymore. Let's hop into the product itself. So this retails for, ooh, I wanna say it's maybe $40. I'll list it on the screen for you. And it is so pretty, you guys. First of all, the packaging is just so sleek and so just sophisticated feeling. I feel like a lot of Too Faced products are very girly, and some people call it little kid-ish. I don't think it's little kiddish. I think it's just super cute and super girly. But this is not. This is very like mature, still girly, but just very just classy looking, I feel like. It has the gold here. It has like a soft kind of plasticky feeling. It is like a raised plastic. It does say natural face on it, Too Faced, and it has this lace. I don't know how well, oh, you can kind of see it. It has like this lace design on it. It's just, it's something that I would love to have just like sitting on my vanity. It looks so pretty. The back is like this blush pink color. The clasp is a little heart. It's just all together, it is so pretty. You open it up and there's a nice big mirror right here, and then you have 6 colors in here. So you have 2 highlights, 2 blushes, and 2 bronzers. They all have really cute names. You have Starlight, Pink Wink, Sunny Honey, Satin Sheets, Pink Sand, and Tropic Like It's Hot. Tropic Like It's Hot. I have to say my eyes are immediately drawn to Pink Sand. These are the kinds of blush colors that I absolutely live for. I love a mauvey pink blush, and that is just calling my name. That'll definitely be what I wear today. I might pop a little bit of Pink Wink on my cheeks just to kind of play with things a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dig in. I think I'm gonna do some swatches for you just because I really enjoy seeing swatches. So let's start with the highlights. So Starlight, I'm going to swatch for you first. There's definitely like a pinky shift to this, like a peachy, pinky, yeah, shift. I'm not sure that I'm gonna love that one. I'll do close-ups of the swatches when we're done here. I'm not sure that I'm gonna love that one. And Satin Sheets has more of like a goldeny undertone. I usually like more silvery kind of white gold undertones, and these both have very distinct colors to them. So I'll be curious to see how they come off on my cheeks. But there's those two. The blushes are so pretty. Both of them are matte blushes. Pink Wink might have like a satiny shift to it, but I think it'll look pretty matte on the cheeks. So here's, wow, that is dark. I'm glad I swatched that ahead of time because I am gonna have to sheer that out quite a bit. Pink Sand, oh yes, dark as well. A little bit patchy, but that's because these are really like, I'm doing finger swatches. I don't think they'll be patchy on the cheeks, but we'll see. Sunny Honey is matte, and Tropic, I think these are both matte bronzers. Any scent? Oh, there's like a little, there's definitely like a clean scent to it. I don't want to say it has a specific scent. Also, the Panza product have like a lace embossment on it. They're so pretty. So here's a Sunny Honey. And then Tropic Like It's Hot is a little bit more, a little bit deeper, a little bit more of a red undertone, whereas Sunny Honey has kind of like a neutral orangey undertone. Okay, Tropic Like It's Hot does have a sheeny shift to it. It's not matte. Okay, so here is Starlight. You can see there's a bit of a pink shift to it. Here is Satin Sheets. It's more of a goldeny undertone. Here is Pink Wink right here. This one is Pink Sand. Here is Sunny Honey, and here is Tropic Like It's Hot. You can see that one has a little bit of a shift to it. So there's without ring light, and here is with the ring light. The pans are definitely decently sized, but I will say to get a giant bronzer brush in there, it might be a little bit of a struggle. Luckily the bronzer is on the outside, so you can kind of play with it there. So Sunny Honey. Now I am wearing a cream bronzer already. If you guys have not seen my review on the new Too Faced contour, what are these called? Multi-use sculpting concealers. Definitely check it out. I'll link it below. I'm wearing the same thing in that video, so I might look a little bit familiar, but that is where those came from. The cream, the cream bronzer. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. It is a little bit more on the warm side than what I typically use, but it's summertime, so I think that I can definitely get away with it. It doesn't look patchy. It's applying so smooth. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Okay, let's get the hairline. It's applying over the cream contour bronzer very, very well. Oh, I didn't quite wipe that off my arm very well. You guys are probably like, what's that on her arm? There's that. Wow. Yeah, this is not patchy at all. Not that I was expecting it to be patchy, but it definitely blends super duper well. I'm gonna drag it down my neck just a little bit to kind of even things out. That looks so pretty, you guys. It just gives like the prettiest glow. So nice. Okay, for blush, I have to use Pink Sand. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So let's, yep, right up my alley. Oh my God. It's like the nudie movie pinks are my absolute favorite blush colors. Like, oh man. I'm not much of a peach blush fan, but I love me a nude pink. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Last but not least, we're gonna dip into some highlight. I think, you know, I got some pink going on, so I'm gonna dip into Starlight, which is the top one that has a little bit of a pink shift in it. Ooh, buddy. Okay. Wow. I mean, you could definitely see the pink on your face. I don't hate it though. There's definitely a taste to this too. I feel like a little bit got in my mouth. It's not vanilla-y. It's like a, almost like a coconut? No, I don't know. I'm gonna pop a little bit on my Cupid's bow. You could definitely also highlight the tip of your nose, but I'm gonna leave it because, oh, so pretty. I definitely recommend this product. I can see myself using this many times. I feel like a lot of the colors are super universal. That pink sand I'm gonna use all year long. Let's get real. Sunny Honey surprised me with how pretty it is. So beautiful. I think a variety of skin tones can get use out of this. Pink Wink would be so pretty on a deeper skin tone. I could even sheer it out and put it on my own cheeks. Just so beautiful. Highly recommend. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me kind of put this on my face in this kind of little mini quick review. Remember, if you want to win your own, I have an extra one right here that I'll be giving to one of you guys. So leave a comment down below and check out the description box for the rules on how to enter. And this baby can be yours right here. Other than that, I will talk to you guys next time. Please be sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love your support. I would love for you to come back every time I have new videos. I don't have a set schedule. I used to, not anymore. I just kind of 2 a week is my schedule, 2 videos a week. So I would love for you guys to continue to come back and check it out. And I will talk to you next time. Mwah! Bye!